Hey guys, welcome to ABC Cooking, where I'm going to be doing things a little bit differently today. Today, I'm going to be recreating the gotcha pork roast from Shokugeki no Soma, also known as Food Wars. The ingredient amounts in this recipe will make you 2 pork roasts. Wash, dry, and peel your potatoes, then cut them into even chunks. Get your steamer basket ready and heat some water up in a pot or pan. Place the basket in the pan and then add your potatoes. Steam until the potatoes are fluffy and tender. In the meantime, dice an onion and some mushrooms. Heat a pan on medium-high heat and then add 2 tablespoons of butter. Add in the diced onions and mushrooms along with a sprig of rosemary and a crushed clove of garlic. Add some salt and then saute until the onions become translucent. Next, add half a cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of butter, rosemary, and garlic to a small saucepan. Heat through. Once the potatoes are soft and fluffy, add them to a bowl. Add salt and pepper and mash. Halfway through mashing, add the milk and butter. Then continue mashing until smooth. Remove the rosemary and garlic and add the sauteed onions and mushrooms to the mash. Add 2 eggs and then mix thoroughly. Cover a baking sheet with aluminum foil and then place a baking rack on top. Lay down pieces of kitchen twine, string, or unwaxed floss. Then stretch out and lay down 7 pieces of bacon per roast. Make sure to slightly overlap each bacon piece. Divide your potato mixture into 2 even ovals, then place on top of the bacon. Wrap the bacon back around the potatoes, then tie the string. Add some rosemary, and then place the baking sheet into a 425° Fahrenheit oven. Cook the roast for about an hour until the bacon is crispy, flipping the roast over about halfway through. Set aside to cool down and work on the sauce. Add 2 cups of red wine, rosemary, and garlic to a pan on medium-high heat. Reduce by half, then add honey and soy sauce. Take the pan off the heat and then add 1 tablespoon of very cold butter. Stir constantly to incorporate and emulsify the butter, thickening the sauce. Place the roast onto a plate and pour the sauce over it. Garnish with a parsley sprig. Then eat up! Oagari yo!